How to draw a goose, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're doing well today. So for the first step of drawing our goose, we're going to begin by making one sideways S-like shape. Now if you like watching step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this video, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Awesome! Next, let's go to the end point of our S and let's begin to make the bill of our goose. Great job! Now on the left side of our goose, we're going to begin to make the outline and then connect it to the bill that we just made. Be sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color our drawing together. Great job! Now directly under the body, we're going to begin to draw 1 foot for our goose. Next up, we're going to begin to make an outline inside of the bill of our goose. Now to the left of the bill that we just drew, we're going to begin to add in a shape, along with an eye, directly above the bill. Now inside of the body, we're going to add in some shapes to help give our goose some character. You can get as creative as you'd like with these shapes. Later on in the video, we're going to color in these shapes together. And if we ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now lastly, let's add one small line on the beak for detail. This is how to draw a goose. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you liked today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.